This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable mentions on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Pinterest app opened up. To enable or disable mentions, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then in the upper left hand corner, you want to tap on your profile icon up there. Then on this page, you want to tap on Social Permissions and Activity. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right in here, Mentions, choose who can mention you in a comment. Tap on Mentions. By default, it's probably set to anyone on Pinterest. You can change that to only people you follow by toggling on the middle one there, or you could disable it by toggling on nobody. So that is how to enable or disable mentions on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.